I was hiking in the woods one day with my friends when I found a huge creek full of hundreds of tadpoles. I decided to take a few home and see the life cycle of the frog. But what exactly is the life cycle of the frog? The frog is unlike many other creatures because how it is originally born is much different from how it turns out to be. It has different stages of its life cycle, like a butterfly. It starts off with eggs, then gets to tadpole and developing tadpole, then finally froglet, and then a frog. Look at this photo carefully. Do you see all the small round things behind the frog? Yes, those are eggs. Female frogs lay up to 4,000 eggs. 4,000 eggs. That might seem like a lot, but the survival rate for the frog is 0.25%. That means for every 2,000 eggs, only 5 of those eggs are able to become adult frogs. After about 1 to 3 weeks, the egg hatches into something that almost everyone knows is called a tadpole, but is known to others as larva. The larva or tadpole has external gills, which will soon be covered by skin to form internal gills. These animals usually eat microscopic organisms or vegetables and algae. After about 4 to 5 weeks, the tadpole grows hind legs. Then, shortly after, it grows front legs. Then it climbs out of the water and becomes a froglet, meaning it loses its tail and uses lungs instead of gills. 1 or 2 weeks after the froglet is formed, eventually comes the frog. The frog is the final stage of the frog life cycle, which means all evidence or gills or tail has been erased. It has lungs and it's ready to venture off on its own to help continue the frog's life cycle. Think about it. Your frog's been through egg, tadpole, developing tadpole, and froglet. All of these stages is what makes up the frog's life cycle. The frog's life cycle is a very interesting topic, and I should know, growing one tadpole into a frog. It's very fun to do, and I hope you guys do the same sometime. See you next year, guys.